Xavier, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching Anora. So it's another on the list of Oscar movies. Can't tell when this is gonna be released, but whatever, not important right now. So at the time of this recording, I just watched Dune Part 2, and this movie has been getting a lot of buzz because it's won like a couple, I think like one or two, a couple of the precursor awards, then like the DGA, the Directors Guild Awards, that show it's a front runner for being the Oscar pick. Like it's like a very few movies in the last like 20 years or something like that with that one, this combination haven't won like Best Picture, so it's front runner.
And the Oscar goes to? Are they playing us off?
No. Oh, maybe. Oh, Anora.
So I figured I'd do a reaction video to it, just because. Not gonna be able to tell when this is gonna be released, but doing it. And yeah, so let's not waste too much time right here. So Anora, a young woman from Brooklyn, gets her chance in the Cinderella story when she meets an impulsive woman marries the son of an oligarch. Once news reaches Russia, her fairy tale is threatened as the parents set out for New York to get the marriage annulled. Yep. Let's get into it.
Greatest day of our lives.
Okay. Starting with nudity. Cool.
To me.
And ass. Just like the substance. I said we didn't start with those, but it was very prevalent.
Light on our greatest days. Light up.
Hi, I'm Annie. No? You waiting for someone else?
Trying to find business.
Do you still like your family? Do they know you do this?
Mm-hmm.
They do? They're okay with it?
Yeah.
I'd be okay.
Does your family know?
I hope not.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Annie.
Of course, he'd be okay with it, but his family doesn't know. Alright, cool. Sure.
When Robert was here the other night, did he ask you for a dance?
Yeah.
And you danced with him?
Yeah.
Okay.
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 What? She like, Robert is only hers? Alright. You should make that known. Don't get up in my girl's face like that, man.
He said I looked like his 18-year-old daughter.
I beg your pardon?
And then he bought
That's
5
weird.
dances from me.
No? Weird.
Disgusting. Well, at least he bought the dances. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess. Still doesn't mean it's not weird.
You don't have cash? Let's go to the ATM. You want to go to the ATM right now?
Spend too much.
Yeah, okay, let's go to the ATM. Let's go get you some cash.
You can't zip up your fucking pants after you take a piss. I don't trust you with the music.
Dude, he's 40. He's literally geriatric.
No, I know.
40 is geriatric? Alright.
Annie, make me proud.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah.
Wait, that guy looks familiar for some reason.
I can speak Russian. I just prefer not to. But you can go ahead and speak Russian. I'll understand.
I don't understand. What the fuck?
Oh, so you're on vacation, or?
Yes, vacation. I guess you can say that. Yeah, but можно, да, on Russian. Yeah.
It doesn't sound like vacation to me.
One more. Yeah.
Okay. Hands under your legs.
Like.
Oh, that's like some kind of like protective method or something like that, so it doesn't get too wild.
God bless America.
She has a roommate, or
Yo, did you pick up milk?
Do you see milk in the fridge?
No.
Then I didn't
Exactly.
pick up the fucking milk.
exactly.
Wonderful. Thank you.
So welcome to my humble abode.
Yeah, very humble. She's like, what? Who's this guy?
Not too shabby.
What is shabby?
Oh, I'm just playing.
Bedrooms, upstairs. Let's go.
He's so eager.
Nice view.
My view is better.
Alright.
What are you looking for?
Sex?
Anything special?
Yeah, special sex.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
You want to take your clothes off?
Yeah.
Dude, calm down, man. Jeez.
Want you?
So, how old are you?
Just no.
Yeah, like, как будто тебе лет 25.
Okay. You're funny.
Yeah, I know. Oh, what do you think I do?
Well, what do you think I think you do?
Oh, fucking English.
His brain's melted.
Короче, ладно. Мой батя Николай Захаров. Whoa.
Sorry, I don't know who that.
It's yeah, she doesn't know.
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
You wanna mind your fucking business?
You're making it our fucking business.
Bitch. Rose. Ginger cunt.
Diamond is a hater. Alright, real hater vibes on her.
Hater alert.
Call an ambulance, this pussy is lethal. Call the police, this pussy's illegal. Pussy on a watch.
Oh yeah, I've seen this.
Married to the money, keep my maiden name. Hey, Brookie trippin', 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 trippin'.
I think just like the screenshot, not the actual.
Pussy drip, 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 droplet. Pussy sweet, so sweet, tea like chocolate. Droplet. Pussy sweet, so sweet, tea like chocolate. It's soft. Pussy kush.
Это вообще гимнастика.
Post Malone, pussy rockstar.
Oh, whoa.
Pussy sick, pussy need a doctor.
Mikey Madison, very good at this. Very good.
Undefeated pussy is a
She has to be like a dancer previously prior to this. What's in her mind?
You pay for an hour and there's still like 45 minutes left if you want to go again.
No fucking.
I guess that guy is like the bodyguard. It's like Harry Potter, like the ones. That's so cool.
I have holiday rates.
Бля, чувак, я занят. Ничего себе, охуели.
All good?
Oh, great.
But okay, they were all good. You can't interrupt the man like when he's busy like that, yo. You're just telling me that you and you dip. You send him a text message, yo. The man is in his business. Leave him.
Man your damn business.
I have one question.
You have a question?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute.
What, he's gonna pay for it to stay?
Может быть, ты хочешь быть эксклюзивно со мной? Девушкой просто на неделю. My horny girlfriend for the week. 10K of dollars.
15. Cash up front.
Deal.
Deal.
Right, so good girl.
I'll be back on Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Correct.
That's a week.
No shit.
Yeah.
You like that?
Obviously he likes it.
My mother caught her in a cryo chamber.
Что?
Не-не, ничего, работай. Again, we smoking dope in your candy shop, in your candy shop. We are going to fucking Vegas!
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. It sounds like they're exactly like that thing that they would do. Go to Vegas just because someone suggested that they did the best drugs in Vegas. Sounds exactly like what these guys would do.
But they're out, and housekeeping should be done any minute.
What the fuck, man? Are you fucking kidding me? You mean I have to wait? I am fucking with you, dude. To come back.
Very good.
Let's go up shit on this fucking casino.
Have a great time. What are you fucking waiting for?
We are here, and I don't know, fuck, you're the best guys.
Just a whirlwind of a time these two are having.
You know we could last longer and be better if you just take it easy.
Oh, she's gonna teach him? Because she's gonna be with this guy for like a week.
What did he say?
So she better teach him how to do it better. Good for her. Cause like just him jackrabbiting jackhammering all the time, no. That not gonna work. No. She better.
Yes, let's get married.
You asshole.
Don't fucking cheese me with that shit, okay?
I'm serious. And I said it wisely.
He is serious. Oh, she looks very pretty right there.
3 carats.
What about 4
She looks very pretty. Wow.
or 6?
Especially that shot right there. Yeah. I like this camera shot that they're doing right here with it looks kind of close, it kind of angles. I really like it because you show that they're like whirlwind, they crazy, just like making a wild decision. Yeah, handheld, but I don't think it's handheld though, but it's giving that kind of vibes.
I give it 2 weeks, bitch.
I hope you find a fucking plastic surgeon.
What the fuck?
Play in my fucking face again, bitch. Stay jealous. Jealousy is a disease. Remember that, Diamond. I'm just gonna go chill in my mansion or whatever. You know, no big deal.
I like the music choice here.
Stay close to me.
These two are having a lot of sex.
Come alive tonight.
Like at least after scenes, a third are sex scenes, man. But yeah, you know, it fits their vibe.
Был с ним 2 недели назад буквально. Он не женат.
No rumors, he is married legally. Yep. There's a scene coming up. I don't know where it is in the movie, but I saw it on like Twitter like yesterday or something like that, where it said like the greatest line delivery or something like that. But I didn't actually watch the scene, so I didn't want to spoil myself for the movie. But I don't know. I know. I'll tell you when I see it.
Okay.
Okay.
They're cute together. I'll give them that. They're very cute. I like them together. Oh, I didn't even realize that this is a cool thing they're doing here with the camera and like the car or the driving. Oh yeah, I really like that. I really like that what they did there. Very much a fan. Dude. With the bono, just walking around.
Ты женился на какой-то проститутке?
What?
So awkward. 10 out of 10. Love that scene.
I'm Vanya's wife.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
Not right now, Taurus. Come on.
Hello, Taurus. Put me on a fucking speaker so this hooker can hear me too.
He just called me a hooker?
You're looking at me?
Они вылетают! Они вылетают!
Ты слышишь меня?
В смысле?
Тебя забрать как обосравшегося школьника. Ты меня слышишь? Завтра...
Сука!
шлюха! Идете со мной!
Shluha? Your mother is a fucking shluha! Who the fuck is this guy?
10 minutes!
Go fuck yourself! You go fuck myself! You go fuck yourself and your fucking mother, motherfucker! You don't even know who the fuck I am!
Stop.
I love Garik.
Stop. Where are you going? No, we have no
I have to get
time.
dressed, you
Okay, bye.
fucker!
He's running. What?
Иван!
Get the fuck out of my
Oh.
fucking touch me!
No. Just sit.
What is wrong with
Relax.
you? Motherfucker!
Whoa. Damn. She has hands.
Oh my god!
No.
Damn.
Are you killing her? What the fuck are you doing to her, брат?
Oh my god! What is that?
В смысле? Ты сказал ее задержать, я задержал. А, ну зачем ее завязывать-то? Блядь! Staying here and getting this annulled. You heard my boss.
Whoa. Damn.
Fuck your boss!
Она поймура, son.
You fucking bitch, you broke my nose!
Yeah, next time I'll kick you in the fucking balls, fighting. I'm not gonna run, just fucking untie me.
No. We wanted just leave the house.
Yeah,
He
he
did not
did.
leave. He was going to
He-
get help.
No, he ran.
I don't think so.
I tried to stop you.
Hello?
Tried?
Hello?
You tried? You don't try. You just grabbed the guy. What do you mean you tried?
Excuse me. Fucking motherfuckers.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's on the husband.
Okay. Yep. Husband.
I like Igor.
Push the voicemail. It's a fucking great husband you have. First ditches you, now doesn't answer your calls. Real marriage, my ass, man. Hey, don't scream. Hey, what did she say? Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Кусается. What do you... Ну это тряпка какой-нибудь. Твою мать, блядь.
Stop screaming!
I love it. I love it. Madness. Okay. Did she get nominated? I hope she got nominated. Okay, I see why people love this movie. I see why people really like this movie. Okay.
I
Screaming.
talked to Yvonne before agreeing to any of this.
Untie her. Marriage license no passport mutta.
Oof. What a tour de force. 10 tens on that.
Anora Micheva.
Annie. It's Annie.
Давай заедем ко мне уже, я дам ему чем, чтобы он успокоился. Что надо?
You're the biggest fucking pussy I ever met.
Oh man.
Hey, one of you better get Ivan on the line now.
What the hell? It's 5-minute walk.
No, I'm not walking down that.
No, I'm not gonna look for other parking. Come on, let's go.
I don't
It's right here. Walk, chop. Move.
Look at the guy playing with the bat in the back. Oh man. So fun.
Have you seen Ivan?
No!
Вы видели Ивана Захарова?
Have you seen him today? No, not today.
He does the greatest parties though.
Guys, have you seen this guy? He's missing. Think. And can you keep calling him, please?
Oh my! What the hell?
Зарвать хочешь, что ли?
Я же аккуратно.
Отойди!
He's smoking near the gas station.
Have you seen this guy today?
Yeah, we had to walk towards wasted.
Пошли, пацаны, этого не
Там был здесь полчаса назад, пьяный, мы его не пустили.
Is he at the strip club?
If we haven't found him by now, we are not finding him.
Did I ask you? Keep your opinion to yourself.
Dude, pay attention.
Yeah, look at me. Just listen to me, baby. Listen. These guys.
Divorce, I told you 100 times, it's annulment.
Tell them that we're not gonna get a divorce, okay?
He's gonna say he's agreed to divorce.
I need you to tell them. Vanya, this is not funny.
Dude is off his rocker. You can't talk to him right now. Wait, where's everybody coming with him?
2 weeks on the fucking nose!
You raggedy bitch.
Guys, there's a fucking fight! No way! Shit!
And this is the
lucky lady?
Who's this?
Him we're gonna need.
Я держу просто.
Okay, I don't know what that means, and I don't want to know. Let's...
So what?
Ну, мы не можем аннулировать это здесь. What? Мы можем заполнить документы по разводу здесь.
No. Officer, get him off the table. Get him out. Fuck! Everyone out of the court. Clear the court, please.
Куриный в хлам. И он сыпет в бассейн этот Kool-Aid 4 паунда, блядь.
What? 4 pounds of Kool-Aid in the pool? The pool?
$87 тысяч долларов.
87K. Wow. Damn. Yeah, I think the scene is coming up. I remember it being
Летели.
similar. I think this guy was in the picture. Yeah.
Ваня? Вань, что с тобой? Покажи, подожди, посмотри на меня, Вань.
Galina Zaharova. Меня зовут Anora.
Mortgage for your house. I need to talk to her.
Я очень рада наконец с вами познакомиться. Это то... И часто в вашей семье.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Love that.
Ivan is not your husband. And you are not part of this family.
What do you want me to say?
Something.
Can you understand that now we must go in the fucking plane and fly in fucking Vegas for making my last trip to America so far?
Yeah, you had fun.
Yeah. Yeah, he had fun. Oh boy.
Oh, it's fake.
I like Igor. He gets it.
You are getting on this plane and you are getting divorced.
Then I'm gonna sue Ivan and you, and I'm gonna walk away with fucking half because I didn't sign a prenup.
Igor is laughing out, man.
I understand and forgive you what you did.
Great. I'm so grateful for your forgiveness.
Yeah, I bet.
What? Fucking pathetic.
You're a pathetic motherfucker.
Блять, ну...
See? Ой, дай мне руку. Ой.
Yeah, good guy Igor. Dude is just doing his job. Just doing his job. To the best he can do. Igor is the best character in this movie.
Thank you.
Ну, будет, но мне кажется, было бы правильно, чтобы Иван извинился.
Мой сын ни перед кем здесь извиняться не будет. Понятно?
Cause your son is a fucking pussy.
What?
What?
EA?
Hear what I said? I said it's cause your son's a fucking pussy.
You are discussing hooker.
And your son hates you so much he married one to piss you off.
Yeah.
Present.
Sorry. Oh, gosh, no, I couldn't. Thank you so... Wait, is this real?
Garnick. What?
And thank you.
I like that. Oh, she was in like the foreground and the background was grayed out, but out of focus. Yeah, yeah. I like that. I like that choice.
Yesterday was your fucking birthday?
I was 30.
Damn, and dude was just working.
I like Anora. I mean, I like Anora more than any.
Hunchback weirdo, you fucking piece of shit. Can you shut the fuck up, please?
Tush.
Touche?
Tush?
Touche.
It's because you have sensitive skin.
No, it's not. It's because you're fucking crazy.
And it's second, because you're too crazy. I mean, crazy too. But I can say you're too crazy too.
No.
Tush?
That's a cool view. No doubt. The ring. She can sell the ring if she wants. I take the ring and sell it. What's she doing? You know, this fits her. That fits what she would do in this situation, I think. Wow. This is a long scene. Sad. Alright, so that was Anora. A very good movie. Very good movie. I see why it was nominated for Best Picture. It's a fun, good ride. I really enjoyed watching it. This is not a movie you watch with your mom unless you have that kind of relationship. No judgment. But yeah. Not a family movie. Not a movie you watch with the kids. Something you watch like with your friends or like your partner. Something like this is that kind of movie. Or you watch it alone and just like I did. Yeah. This is that kind of movie. I'm gonna speak about the end scene soon. But so we're nominated for Best Picture, Best Actress, Best Supporting Actor, Best Original Screenplay, Best Director, and Best Film Editing. Okay, so the editing, I need to see the category to judge editing. Yeah, I won't discuss it here. When I do my predictions video, I'll discuss the editing nominees for what I think. But like, in terms of screenplay and directing, yes, very well done. The acting, phenomenal. Screenplay, phenomenal. Overall, a wonderfully acted, directed movie. I like the cinematography was great, but I see why it did not get nominated for like cinematography award because, well, good job. Everything about this movie was good. From what I remember, some of the other candidates, I get it, So even that movie, what was it? The Substance. Even the Substance, this didn't get nominated. I can see why this didn't get nominated. Okay, yeah. I like The Substance. There's a lot of nudity. So, but there was a conversation. Who was it? Palme Anderson and Mikey Madison, who was nominated for Best Actress. There's this thing about them, about like the intimacy coordinating and all that. So I can see why there was why it was brought up in context of this movie. Because there were a lot of scenes that could require that, but not a discussion for this time. But I absolutely see why she got nominated for Best Actress. This was her week, and also see why what's his name, Yuri Borisov. I absolutely see why he was also nominated for Best Supporting Actor. Cause I was in this reaction I was saying Igor is like the best character, and he was like the heart of the movie, and this is related to like that end scene. Let me get into that, cause the writer-director Sean Baker, he said that the end scene, hold on, bring it up. It's like some kind of, it's a moment of intimacy and catharsis. Intimacy and catharsis. Let me Google catharsis. I know catharsis. Let me just give a definition, so I can process my thoughts on that. The process of releasing and thereby providing relief from strong or repressed emotions. Right. So what we see in that end scene is, so he gives her the ring, which is worth like a lot of money, cause like he was trying to just be a nice guy, sport, because even though she's been like rude to him and all that, he sees the struggle that she has, and so in all of that he's just trying to like, I'm just doing my job, I'm just doing the best I can, but I see the whole messed up situation you're in, so I'm just gonna do the solid for her and just give her the ring. And so what happens is he gets the ring, takes her suitcases up, and he expresses her that, oh, you're not gonna come out of the car, okay, and go back into the car. And then so he's back in the car, and she's like, alright. So he's looking at her like, okay, what's going on here? And she responds into this moment of kindness by having relations with him, having sex with him, and he is like, okay, I'll allow it to happen. You know, I am attracted to her. I don't think he's thinking, oh, this is gonna be like a long term, this is like a relationship or anything. He just like, I don't know, seemed like the right thing to do to give her the ring. And so he's like, alright, let me just do it. And she responds sexually, because that's, for however long she's been doing it, that's how she relates to guys, that's how she relates to men. She made it transactional. You gave me the ring, so I'm going to sleep with you because this is how I am living. This is my life. This is how I have, men have treated me this way, and so I'm just going to respond in kind. And Igor being like a typical guy who's like, okay, I'm single, I'm attracted to her, I'm willing, she's willing, it's consensual, why not? And so do it. And then he tries to make it more intimate. See, okay, I'm glad that there's the clarify, because I might have missed it. I might have misread what the intention was that they were trying to portray. I figured it was based on her crying and stuff, but it was more like him trying to kiss her. So yeah, that's what he was trying to do. And she's like, no, do not make this. This is purely transactional. This is purely just me saying thanks. Don't make this. Don't involve that kissing or stuff. Kissing to her, the kissing is just making it more feelings involved, you know. So she said, don't do that. And then she breaks down and crying, and he holds her because she needs that at that moment, because he's trying to make it more than just the transactional relationship. But he's not trying to make it like, it's not, I'm seeing, he's not trying to make it like, oh yeah, we're gonna be in a relationship. He's just trying to make it, okay, I'm trying to make it more like we're making love rather than just doing the do, you know. And she's like, no, don't do that. And so, and she breaks down because she can't accept that that's not good for her. That's not good for her. She can't have that, because she's gonna go back to her old life, and this is that kind of thing is not good for her. And that, but then also it's Let me see what it says here. In the same interview with NPR, mere sentences after the characters come, Baker states the ending is intentional and ambiguous. All interpretations are valid in his eyes. For this moment, I think it's a moment of intimacy that we haven't seen earlier in the film. There's a catharsis there. It's been very interesting to hear the interpretations of the last scene. That's how it's designed, because it's really not leaving with any solid answer what's about to come in Annie's life. It's really up to the audience at that point to sort of write the ending. And it's been really incredible to see that's what's been happening. So we're left to see that last scene in the ending. Not the last scene, but like ending of it. Okay, so she experienced this intimacy, she experienced this catharsis, she breaks down, she's relieving her pain, she's everything so far has just been like just like transaction or whatever. She thought it was a lust feeling, but this one Igor gave her intimacy and that broke her down. She didn't want intimacy was too much for her, and so we're left out there. We don't know what she's gonna do. Obviously she's gonna sell the ring, and maybe she's gonna try to do something else with life, or maybe she's gonna go back to her old life. Maybe she's gonna go to a different club. I don't know. We don't know. She's not gonna be able to go back to that club. She might be able to go back to Bridge, but I don't think she'll be able to go there because Diamond's gonna be there and everything. So, and yeah, so I think that's how we're supposed to view that. Okay, so the movie as a whole, like I say, amazing acting, brilliantly directed, everything 10 out of 10. Not everything out of 10. Everything is like very good. At least very good to great, and so funny, so great. Loved it. Yeah, I'm glad I watched it. That's what I'll leave you with. I'm glad I watched it. Thank you.